Tenses made easy. English to Urdu.
Present perfect continuous tense.
Affirmative sentences.
सादा जुमले।
He has been writing a letter for an hour.
वो 1 घंटे से खत लिख रहा है।
I have been going to school since morning.
मैं सुबह से स्कूल जा रहा हूँ।
We have been playing cricket for the past 2 hours.
हम पिछले 2 घंटे से क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं।
Interrogative sentences.
सवालिया जुमले।
Has he been writing a letter for an hour?
क्या वो 1 घंटे से खत लिख रहा है?
Have I been going to school since morning?
क्या मैं सुबह से स्कूल जा रहा हूँ?
Have we been playing cricket for the past 2 hours?
क्या हम पिछले 2 घंटे से क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं?
Negative sentences.
मनफी जुमले।
He has not been writing a letter for an hour.
वो 1 घंटे से खत नहीं लिख रहा है।
I have not been going to school since morning.
मैं सुबह से स्कूल नहीं जा रहा।
We have not been playing cricket for the past 2 hours.
हम पिछले 2 घंटे से क्रिकेट नहीं